Today we're going to teach you how to rewarm your favorite pancakes from your favorite pancake house. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, we are going to show you how to perfectly warm these and rewarm these so that you can eat them so they taste just as good as they did when you first got them. So we got the Denny's pancakes here. And so basically I'm just going to open these up, and it's very, very simple to warm these up. All right, so we have the pancake right here. This is not major magic or anything. Oop, I'm just like trying to, okay. Anyway, so basically you're just gonna take this little pancake here, and then you are going to go ahead and put it face down into a pan. The pan does not have any oil in it or anything. It's just there. It's on medium heat and it is ready to go. So basically you're just gonna heat it up, let it just heat up on one side. It's gonna get a little crispy on one side, and then you're gonna flip it just like this. All right, and then you're just gonna let it heat up on the other side where it gets nice and crispy too. And that's gonna take probably about a minute, 2 minutes tops, and then it's gonna be perfectly warmed. So this is done. It is nice and crispy and perfect. If you hear it, it's gonna sound like this when you touch it. It's like a nice little kind of sound. Yum, yum, yum. And there you go. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this out of here. Walk it over here. Just kind of put it on here. And there it is. And now it's ready just to have the butter on it, a little syrup, and it's ready to go. All right, so now we're just gonna put the butter on here. Ooh, it melts perfect on there. And I love butter on here, it's so good. Yum, yum, yum. All right, guys, so here's the big thing here. Yum, yum, yum. And that is ready to eat. Let me just taste. Oh my god, that's so good. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you. If you like it, please like, share, subscribe, and we'll be back with another one.